So you know the bitter stuff that you spray on stuff so your dog doesn't chew? I sprayed this entire pillow with this stuff, anti-chew spray. See how good? No effect. I soaked the pillow in it. And apparently it doesn't work. Look at him. Oh my Lord. Jeez. Can't believe this dog. He even likes bitter apple. Oh, good God. Yeah, you. I'm talking about you. It's crazy. Look. Insane. Yeah, you. Huh. Good. Get tired. Tire yourself out. Oh my God. Here, this is the stuff I sprayed. I sprayed this stuff. See? Where is it? Super sour anti-chew spray. Yeah. Okay. So much for that, huh, buddy?